Alright, this video is gonna be short and sweet. Actually, short and sweet. Unlike every other time I say that, I'm just gonna be breaking down one simple trade that I took September 2nd. Is this September 1st? September 1st into September 2nd. Today is Tuesday. I took it last night, Monday night, around midnight, heading into the overnight session. Okay, and I'm just gonna be breaking it down really quick. Call it 60 points. This right here, this is just for the thumbnail. Okay, I'm gonna be breaking it down. Here we go. So as we can see, to close last week, we had a giant sell-off, erasing all of the progress we made in that trading week. So we had a giant sell-off, and then we were, ever since the market opened Monday, or because Monday was the holiday, so the market hours were different. But Monday night, we obviously are in a little short-term bearish trend, or like a newly formed bearish trend. So as you can see here, we had the giant sell-off. We came up, put in a lower high. What happens when you make a lower high? You go make a new lower low. Okay, and this lower low came down perfectly to create equal lows with this pivot point from last week. So that is now going to act as a big liquidity pool, or a big support level, where there's going to be lots of interest in buying and selling around this area. So it's likely that price is going to draw down there, especially since we're putting in lower highs and lower lows, shifting in a bearish structure, heading downwards, bearish momentum. Okay, so I had this level in mind as a target. Oh, also I posted before I took the trade on my Twitter, same name as my YouTube name. I posted, this is what I'm looking for, and then I posted after it played out, how it played out and whatnot. So if you want to go over there, look at that. I post like real time analysis over there. But yeah, I'm basically looking for these lows to get hit, and right where I started taking interest in the trade was when we put in this high, started moving down, put in another lower high. If you go down to a smaller time frame, you could see it was like a clear just downtrend. Okay, and then I had this 1 hour little order block, which also lines up with like a bunch of this just big prior support, which now will act as resistance. Alright, so yeah, price came up into here to the order block. We're already pushing down, lots of momentum with a clear, strong draw to the downside. So I see price have this kind of weak move up, right? It was like a weak little channel up, followed by strong red candles, rejection candles out of this area. So right there, when that aggressive buying kind of showed its hand, aggressive selling showed its hand. What the hell was that noise? Anyways, yeah, this is where this candle closed, and then I got in on a little bit of a pullback right here. Just a better risk to reward. I put my stop. Luckily, I knew that, hey, there's a chance price comes up and touches this order block again. Let me give myself a wider stop. I put my stop like a little more up here, right there, and then my target was down here. I caught about 60 points. This line is that support level, equal lows I was talking about. So yeah, we got the strong rejection. We kind of had a first move down. I thought everything was sweet. We're gonna go right to take profit, and then we came all the way up here. I was like, oh my gosh, I'm gonna get stopped out. Liquidity sweep inside of our order block. More strong rejections, really strong rejections out. This time this could have been another entry right here. And then we just had a straight move down. I actually didn't get filled right here. We had this move all the way up, and at this point I'm break even. So I'm like, there's no way I'm about to get stopped by break even. Then a new 5-minute candle opens and just gets destroyed. And I took profit right here. I was thinking about leaving some of the position to run, because we do kind of have this void here that might get filled. We have more lows down here, but I'm thinking you know, there's no way price is going to make this move. I always seem to think that price is not going to make that big of a move, and it always does. So from now on, I'm diamond handing everything. I'm leaving runners. If there's targets that can be met, I'm fucking holding, because I mean, look at this. I caught 60 points. Oh my gosh, I could have caught so many points, dude. I could have caught fucking 400 points. All I had to do was hold, and it did have reason to go down there, you know. Like, I don't know. That's just so frustrating. So frustrating. But it's a learning experience. And I will be looking to improve on my paper hands in the future. So if you guys like the video, subscribe to the channel. Road to 1,000 subs. Let's go. I need one video to kind of gain some traction. You know, I'm getting a little bit of subscribers like every video, or every video that gets at least like a couple views more, you know. So yeah, like, subscribe, follow the Twitter. It's the same name as the YouTube, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out. Peace out, buddy.